Hello everyone, I am Rutvik from Ramy International. Today we have a special guest, Mr. Ali. So we have some conversation from Ali sir. So tell me about yourself, sir.
My name is Abdul Ali, original from Sudan but Irish nationality. I have a cashew nut factory in Benin, and I come for Rami because what I get it for him, I never get it anywhere. Yeah.
Okay. So he's from actually Sudan, but he's setting up one project in Benin. And what capacity you are setting up?
10 ton.
10 metric ton a day. Okay, very good, very great. So can you tell me how did you find Ramy International?
I get the Rami International is really the honest people and respect people and help even from the price. He give very good pricing and supervise us too much when he give me what I want. I was searching all India, I didn't find like Rami, really.
So how do you satisfy? How much do you satisfy with Ramy explanation regarding cashew project?
If you I say 1 million time.
Thank you very much. So if there any customer from African country, any customer, so can they buy online with Ramy or they have to visit here?
No, you don't have to come. I give the trust. I give you the name of my address and my company. If you anything is happening, I gonna pay your money back.
Okay. So he is saying that any customer from the world, especially from Africa, if you cannot come to here, you can buy online with us. He is 100% give you the good honest reply for Ramy International.
Because the first time I come here, what I say I make myself tired and just I pay my ticket for nothing. It's better I don't come because what I get it more than what I want, really.
Okay. So it's like whatever you want, you get from Ramy, right?
More what I want.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Not thank you. This is reality.
Do you want to say about the quality of the machines, what we show you? Do you want to say anything about it?
Really, the quality of the machine, what the good thing I get it the mix with the Vietnamese and Indian technology.
Yeah.
That's the good thing. Yeah, you don't have this technology.
True.
That's why everybody, if you want, you have to come here because you're gonna get a profit for two technology, Indian and Vietnamese. And these the people is a very good for cashew. And really, any customer come to Ramy. And if you anything is happening, come to the Wadi Cashew in Benin. You got your money if you anything is happening. And I'm sure nothing is happening.
Thank you very much. And any feedback for the team of Ramy International? How was the team? How they respond you? How they support you during your 3-day stay here?
Really, since I arrived to Delhi, before I meet anybody, everybody calling me, where are you? You booking for me the hotel, the ticket, the food. You come from the morning till the night with me. He make me very happy. He don't anything I didn't pay. Because Ramy, he's the rich people.
No. You are our guest. The guest is God for India, for all the Indians. And any feedback about our team of Ramy International?
No,
the team members.
The team member is all the everything in the air. The system is very good. Okay, the team is very helpful, and the team is talking nice and respect. Okay, and you have a good knowledge about the cashew. That's the good thing. I get it in Ramy. Ramy is the best company in Ahmedabad.
Thank you.
Not Ahmedabad, all India.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Abdul sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. And hopefully, Abdul sir is setting up a 10 metric ton project now in Benin. And in next 2 years, we are going to have a 50 metric ton project in Benin. And with Ramy and with Abdul sir, with Walid Cashew.
But next time I'm not coming. Just I make the order and he ship it only, and I give the money in advance because I trust this company really.
Thank you.
I've never seen it with any factory really.
Trust and honesty is the most important thing in business,
And the respect.
Yeah, thank you. And the customers like you, the genuine customers, really help us to and boost us our moral, our hard work and our dedication is increased because of the customers like you. So we want to serve you with our heart, and thank you for coming here and we are very happy. We were very pleased because of you. So thank you for coming to Ramy International. Thank you.
Really, I'm thank you for you. What I get it, I don't expect it. I can't get it. Really, I'm very happy. And now you fulfill all my problem,
Yeah.
all my plan. And thank you. And everybody come to Ramy. Believe me, these people, you don't pay me money. But I telling you, if you need plan and to go successfully, come here.
Abdul sir pay us money yesterday, and still he is,
Yesterday I get the mango lassi. Very nice from the Ramy.
Thank you.
very much.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you from Ramy International. Thank you.